Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to control music from Android lock screen. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here as you can see that I'm playing a music with my music player on my Android phone, and I'm going to control this music from my Android lock screen, so I don't need to unlock my phone to stop this music or to change this music. Alright, first of all, we can go to our settings application on our Android phone, and we have to open the lock screen setting. Click on this lock screen setting, and here you have to click on widgets. Okay, and if we want to control music from our Android lock screen, we have to activate the music widget. You can click on the toggle button to activate it. And I'm going to lock my screen to show you how it looks. Okay. Alright, and this is the music widget. So we can control music from our Android lock screen without unlocking our phone. Like this. And I guess that's how we can control music from Android lock screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.